Hi Isaiah, welcome to the practice probe. This is going to help us to improve our SDLMI knowledge. These are just a few questions from the probe that's going to get your attention. The first question I'd like you to focus on is, what do you know about your behavior now? Is it A, I think my behavior is usually fine, B, my behavior does not always meet classroom rules or teacher expectations, or C, I think my friends have good behavior? Think about your answer. Make your selection now. Did you say B? My behavior doesn't always meet classroom rules and expectations? That's right. That's why we have set a behavior goal. Another question that I'd like for you to focus on is, what can you do to remove barriers? Are you using a sensory tool, a cue card tool, or a behavior checklist tool? Think about your answer. Make your selection now. Did you say B, use a cue card tool? That's exactly right. You're using your cue card tool that helps you remember that you are starting your work immediately and remaining focused on your task. All right. Another question I'd like for you to focus on is, when will you begin? Is it A, as soon as possible, B, next month, or C, next year? Think about your answer. Make your selection now. Did you say A, as soon as possible? That's right, we've already started, and we're going to check in again at the end of next week to see how things are going. All right, so from section 3, this is the lesson that you just went over. These are the questions that you should be able to answer by now. So what question do you ask yourself to adjust your plan? Is it A, what is my dream, B, what is my goal, or C, what did I learn? Think about your answer and make your selection now. Did you say C, what did I learn? That's exactly right. Nice work. So remember, what have you done to improve your behavior? You have set your behavior goal, which was eliminate distractions, begin working immediately and continue working until task is complete, or be a responsible student. Think about your answer. Make your selection now. Did you say B, begin working immediately? That's right. That is your task. That is your symbol, and that's what you're working on. Another question, which barriers have been moved out of the way? Was it A, that you learn to begin working right away, and if you get stuck, you can ask for help? Did you learn to use a sensory tool, or did you learn that there's a time and a place to make jokes and be silly? Think about your answer. Make your selection now. Did you say A? You did. You learned to begin quickly and get started right away, and if you get stuck, you can ask for help. But remember, when you have a task in front of you, that you tackle it immediately and get started right away. All right, the next question is, what has changed about your behavior? Have you used an action plan and behavior checklist tool? Have you used an action plan and cue card tool, or an action plan and sensory tool? Think about your answer. Make your selection now. Did you say B, use an action plan and cue card tool? That's exactly right. Your action plan involved having the timer and giving yourself a point and graphing your points all around your cue card tool and the behaviors that were specified there for starting your work right away and staying focused until the task was complete. Remember, we said today, we checked our data, we checked our graphs, and we talked about if you met your goal or not. What was the answer? Yes, no, or almost there? Think about your answer and make your selection now. We said that you're almost there. We're going to keep working. We've been adjusting the plan. We started with making checks and X's. We started with the stamps. Now we're giving ourselves a point using the phone or the iPad, and it seems to be really helping you stay on task. So we've adjusted the plan, but we're going to keep working on it and check in at the end of the week. All right, I think you're ready to take your probe now. Great job.